So if you want to add your Visa gift card to Cash App, it's pretty much similar like how you use other bank Visa cards. So go to Cash App, and then once you're on your Cash App, you're logged in, click on the Add Cash option here to transfer the amount to your from your gift card, your Visa gift card to Cash App. Click on Add Cash. It's going to ask you how much you're going to add, so select the amount that you wish to add, and then next select these card option here, and it will ask you to link your debit card. So when you get to this screen, all you have to do is simply link your Visa card, which is in this case Visa gift card. Plug in your details, your card number, your expiry date, all those details here. Just fill in all these informations from your Visa card, and then hit on link card. So once this has been successfully linked, the funds or money will be now transferred from your Visa gift card. It can be added to your Cash App. Once you have done, you will get a message saying that you have successfully linked your card, and basically that's how you add your Visa card to your Cash App. It's a simple process like how you normally add with any other Visa cards or debit cards on Cash App.